Welcome back, everyone, to the show. Well, if you are someone you know is on the job hunt and loves working on cars, then EXO Auto Works may have the perfect opportunity for you. They're now hiring, and joining us this morning with all the details is owner Michael Cohn. Michael, good morning. Very happy to have you.
Good morning. Yes, thank you for having me.
Absolutely. Well, for someone who may be unfamiliar, who is EXO Auto Works and what kind of services do you offer?
Absolutely. We're a full-service auto repair shop near downtown Colorado Springs, and we offer all services as far as everything from air filters to windshields and all in between.
Yes, you guys do really great work. I know my husband goes over there. He rides his bike, puts the bike in the back of his truck, leaves his truck, rides his bike home. He loves you guys and the work that you do. All right, you're hiring, though, which is great news for some people watching this morning. Talk to me about the positions that are available.
Yeah, absolutely. So we are currently looking for more ASE certified technicians. We are actually expanding to another 2,500 square feet for our shop, and that's going to be putting us close to almost 6,000 square feet. So we have bays to fill, and we are looking for technicians that are able to fill those bays in order to, continue up with the work that we have that is piling up.
Got it. And what are the requirements you are looking for, or if somebody's interested in applying, what are maybe some skills that they would need to have?
Yeah, absolutely. So ASE certification is definitely a plus because we do work with aftermarket warranties, and so they require that in order to have work done. Kind of as an example is your husband's truck. You know, you guys have a warranty, and we need to make sure that we have ASE certified technicians on board. Now, not to say that we're not going to hire people that do not have that certification, but we definitely want to have that as a career path. We do offer basically a repayment. So once you do get your certifications, you paid for the test, we will reimburse you upon passing those classes. So if you don't have it and it is your goal to get it, then definitely give us a call, come by. You do need to have, a couple years worth of experience so that way you know what you're doing. And as well as tools. You need to have your own tools because in the mechanics world, not everybody's willing to share their tools because that's how they make their money.
Exactly. Well, that's a very good point to bring. And also that if somebody's willing to get that extra training or that test that you speak of, you're able to help them with that. How can people apply, and are you looking to hire soon?
Yeah, absolutely. So we do have a link on Indeed.com, a job posting, so you'd be able to go on there. You can also shoot us a resume at exoauto@gmail.com, so that way we can take a look at it and get you scheduled for an interview.
Okay.
And then we're looking to fill the position rather soon. I believe that we're going to be growing into our new space here in the next few weeks. So we're definitely trying to bring people on board so that way they can get used to it and try to help keep the workflow going and get the turnaround times, at the level that we like.
Absolutely, and this is a crucial time for you guys with those winter months. We've just had snow come in the last few days, and that could really be dangerous for a lot of drivers out there. So I'm assuming this is a busy time for you guys.
It is, yeah. A lot of people losing control, hitting curbs, whether, at high speeds or low speeds, it can cause damage to the car that you may not see. So we've been getting a lot in, and a lot of vehicles in that are needing to have, maybe tie rods redone, or even just the simple alignment. You didn't hit it very hard, but it tweaked the alignment, so now your steering wheel's crooked. So alignments have been very busy for us lately.
And it is always a good idea to make sure that vehicle is safe. I know my husband's truck, we've done some crazy things in that truck. That's all I'm going to say. And you guys have always taken care of him. So sounds like a great place, and certainly a great place to work at. Thank you so much, Michael, for being with us this morning.
Yeah, thanks for having me. Have a great rest of your day.
Of course, likewise. If you would like more information or to find out more about these jobs, go to EXOAutoWorks.com to learn more. This segment has been sponsored by EXO Auto Works this morning. All right, now it's